I cleared out all of this and threw a bunch of stuff out. This blew my mind because it's literally moldy, but I haven't had it very long. I'm gonna need to toss some of these as well once I make a decision. My last couple pieces of makeup are just going right there. I have some stuff to hang. I think it's gonna be 6 pictures. I'm trying to figure out how high I want the tallest one to be because it's gonna be 2 and then 3 down. I have this level, but I also have a laser level that I bought a while ago when we were hanging that shelf up before we realized we were only gonna have one and we had... I don't want to drop it on my foot. There we go, if you can see that. It's not level right now, so it's blinking a bunch, but I'll put it on something and then it'll, or I'll just hold it level, apparently. After maybe 15, 20 minutes of you mathing like a very smart boy, with just the regular size nail, oh, eyeballs, regular nails. Also, apparently I put on these pants without realizing the significance. Huh. I'd like to document the fact that I do think it has been over a year since I've had an Oreo. Since the elimination diet before Europe. I don't know if we've had them in this house much either. A productive Sunday so far. We have cleaned quite a bit. I have vacuumed and mopped all of our floors. I redid some of the counter rejigging in the kitchen, watching some videos, using the bed. It just feels so much better once the floor's been vacuumed and everything's done. So mopped, vacuumed, all of these clothes getting put away, running a second set of laundry with the sheets and everything like that. It just feels like crisp, clean. We changed all the bed sheets and the pillowcases yesterday. So that also, just a nice night's sleep last night on all of that. Perfect. Like your t-shirts and stuff that were all below actually did all manage to be hung and be fine. Is just shorts, all the sweaters. We still have sweaters and stuff up here. I don't remember what's up there, but I think it's a lot of summer stuff and shorts, so I think a lot of it gets swapped out. Top there, definitely lots of summer stuff in there, so when we do a closet swap that'll happen, but it's still mid-March or like end of March, so we still need some warm stuff. Sweaters and different things that I didn't wear at all during this past winter is probably a sign that those can be cleared out, as well as most of the items that came straight in when we moved and went down into storage and never got worn again. I think we need to do a nice healthy purge of some of that. I did shuffle all these boxes over though because I wanted to be able to put 3 separate things of towels up here. I don't know what this sheet is. I think it's the one that came with the bed, but I don't really want it. So I'm just trying to figure out if I can justify keeping it or if I need to get rid of it. New pillows that I got yesterday, new pillow, old pillow. I used this one to sit on just now. And I'm gonna make some soup, which is what he's cleaning for, because I need to prep some meal while I'm having all this momentum of cleaning right now, just to get that all sorted. So I'm gonna watch some TV and do Italian penicillin soup. bok choy and the soup. I wonder how many more of these will bloom. Good morning. So it's been an atmospheric river of rain over the last couple of days, and it will continue for the next week and a half or so, with the exception of tomorrow, which is fine because tomorrow maybe is the day I can go see a movie or go outside or do something. I'm actually going outside now though, to be fair, because I'm going to be working from a place with a friend. So honestly, get me out of the house, get me moving, but like this rain is a beast. I didn't have a chance to eat breakfast or anything. We're about to have a power outage while they sort out, I don't know, something. Just trying to get ready to get out of the house on a day where normally I get to be settled and at home is unfortunate. The hood went straight into my eyeball. Okay, well, on that note, see you wherever I go. Raining. I'm at the library. I used to study here a ton when I was a student back in 2019 and 2020. Gonna go grab some food first because all I had this morning was my applesauce pouch. So I need some actual food, and then I might post up at one of these tables again because I feel like this is a really good place to work since I'm here already. I'll be gone for at least 4 hours, but to be safe, might just spend most of the day downtown. Get some food, hang out, get some work done. Sounds like a good day to me. We had an excellent friends catch up. It was like a very productive work time and a nice catch up. A bird flew into the window literally while we were working, which was a little bit crazy because I haven't had that happen to me in a really long time. But yeah, we were up in like one of those units and the bird just like head first into the window.